Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? May we will always be in the protection of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Amin. On this discussion, I will explain a little about the company PT Gudang Garam is located in Indonesia, precisely in Kediri, East Java. Alright, let's just talk about what is in PT Gudang Garam. Okay, PT Gudang Garam Tbk is the most popular brand or company of dealer cigarette producer in Indonesia. Found on June 26, 1958 by Surya Wonowijojo. This cigarette company is ranked first and fifth in Indonesia according to the year of its establishment, or compared to other national cigarette companies such as Nojorono and Jarum in Kudus. In the production of Kretek cigarettes, the company owns a 50,014 hectare tobacco complex in Kediri, East Java. Next, history of PT Gudang Garam. Gudang Garam was found on June 26, 1058 by Ju Jinhui or Surya Wonowijojo. The name is Surya Wonowijoyo. Before establishing this company, at the age of about 20, Ju Jinhui received an offer to work from his uncle at the NVDEP 93 cigarette factory company, which was one of the most famous cigarette factories in East Java at that time. Thanks to his hard work and craftsmanship, he was promoted and eventually occupied the position of director in the company. Next, in 1956, Ju Jinhui left Cap 93. He closed a location on Semampi Road, Kediri, on a land area of 1,000 meters, owned by Mr. Muradioso, which was later purchased by the company, and hereinafter referred to as Unit I. Unit 1. He started at a home industry producing cigarettes itself, starting with Kretek cigarettes from Klopot with the Ikhwi brand. After 2 years running, Ikhwi changed the name of his company to Cap Gudang Garam Cigarette Company. According to Dukut Imam Widodo, an East Java historian, the name of Gudang Garam carried by this company is reflected in the logo was designed by Surya and one of his employees who works at the factory. The logo was born from a dream of five-side warehouse located near the in the Kertosono Bangil Railway. The state warehouse in question is a building located near the NV Cap 93 cigarette factory, where Surya worked before establishing his own company. The location of the warehouse is not far from Kediri Station. PT Gudang Garam Tbk does not distribute directly but through PT Surya Madistrindo, then to retail and then to consume. On August 4, 2017, Japan Tobacco International or Japan Tobacco Inc. bought 100% share of PT Karya Vidya Mahardika and PT Surya Mustika Nusantara, a subsidiary of PT Gudang Garam Tbk. Now, these two companies are separated from Gudang Garam. On July 7, 2021, Gudang Garam ensured that there would be no talk of a merger and acquisition between Gudang Garam and Japan Tobacco as has occurred in the capital market in recent time. This clarification was given by Gudang Garam after rumors previously circulated that the Japan's tobacco giant would acquire the National Cigarettes Company and the Indonesian Stock Exchange or IDX also questioned this. Product from PT Gudang Garam. The first is hand rolled kretek cigarettes from PT Gudang Garam. Gudang Garam Jatah, Gudang Garam Special Deluxe King Size, Gudang Garam Patra, Sriwedari Kretek Pak Gudang Garam, Gudang Garam Red. Next product is a full flavor machine kretek cigarettes, Gudang Garam International, Surya Professional Filter, Surya Exclusive, Surya 12 and Surya 16, Gudang Garam Signature Mile, Gigi Move. And last product from Gudang Garam is a LGLN Machine Glove Cigarettes, Gigi Mile, Gigi Silver, Surya Professional Mile, Gudang Garam Signature Mile, Surya 12 Premium. That is a little explanation from me about the company PT Gudang Garam, which is located in Indonesia, precisely in Kediri, East Java. If there is a mistake in the delivery, I apologize profusely, and if there are words that are less pleasing, I apologize profusely. Thank you for attention and good morning.